Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Student, our today's topic is chapter 10, Creative Question Answer 1. We have already discussed of this chapter. Today we will discuss about creative question answer. Let us see today's topic at a glance. This is chapter 10 and we will discuss creative question answer 1 number, and this is lecture number 15 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 12 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see here is a stem. Samiha has a bar magnet. She prepared a magnet by rubbing method and another by electrical method. Our A number question is, what is called magnetic substance? B number question is, explain that the earth is a huge magnet. C number question is, describe the first method of preparing magnet. And D number question is, the second type of magnet is strong through temporary. Analyze the quotation. It will be analyze. And you can see this is your science book. Our today's topic is here. This is page number 121 and this is creative question answer 1 question 1 number. So today we will discuss about that. So creative answer 1 number. Our A number question was, what is called magnetic substance? The answer will be, substances those are attracted by magnet are called magnetic substance. Our B number question was, explain that the earth is a huge magnet. The answer will be, the earth behaves like a big magnet because of the heat that is given off by the inner core to the outer liquid core, which makes electrical currents when the earth rotates. These electrical currents then become the earth is magnetic field. Our C number question was, describe the first method of preparing magnet. Samiha prepared magnet by rubbing method. This method is described below. At first, rub the steel bar from one to another end with a pole of bar magnet. Have to do this for several times. After that, we will see steel attracts spin. Thus, a steel bar converted into a magnet through rubbing. If it has been rubbed through north pole of the magnet, it will be seen that north pole will be created at the first portion of rubbed steel bar and south pole at the end. Our D number question was, the second type of magnet is strong through temporary. Analyze the quotation. The answer will be, Samiha prepared second type of magnet by electrical method. In this method, at first take a long iron nail, coil it with ordinary electrical wire available in the market. Connect its two ends with a battery is two ends. Now it is seen that any part of the nail can attract a pin. The nail does not attract a pin if the electric current flow is stopped. So it is understood that the nail has converted into a temporary magnet. Therefore, the second type of magnet prepared by Samiha by electrical method was strong but temporary, because its strength depends on the flow of electric current through it. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 12 number SW. And remember that when you will do your SW, please write down SW number on your SW copy. And our today's SW will be creative. One number, and sub number will be A, B and C number. I am repeating your SW. Our today's SW number is 12 number SW, and our SW will be creative question, 1 number questions and answer, and sub number is A, B and C. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and submit your SW on every Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. You will get 2.5 marks for each SW. Dear student, stay home and well. See you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.